What life has been like for Johnny Depp after his public trial with Amber Heard. On paper, Johnny Depp won his defamation case against ex-wife Amber Heard on June 1, 2022. Depp sued his ex-wife for defamation after she allegedly accused him of various sorts of violence in a Washington Post article in 2018. Depp first sought $50 million in damages, but the courts only gave him a quarter of that, $15 million. Depp praised his fans on Instagram after the trial. "I am and have been amazed by the outpouring of love and support from all across the world," the actor wrote. "I hope that my quest for the truth has aided others, men or women, who have found themselves in similar situation, and that those supporting them never give up." The Pirates of the Caribbean star was most likely referring to a viral fan movement in which he was portrayed as the victim and Heard as the perpetrator, particularly on TikTok. But the former couple's testimony, which brought unsavory portions of their relationship into public fodder, has harmed the cherished actor's reputation. Despite Depp's victory over Heard, not everyone who watched the trial thought he deserved to win. Nonetheless, life goes on. Here is what Johnny Depp has been up to since his life-altering trial. Johnny Depp's future as a starring man in Hollywood appears to be up in the air. Before the trial ended, Depp's talent manager, Jack Wyam, testified on the record that Heard's Washington Post article caused Depp to lose his place in the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise. According to the New York Times, it proved impossible to get him a studio film after the op-ed. Even after winning the case, Depp does not appear to have the full support of Disney, which produces the popular property. Having said that, producer Jerry Bruckheimer has not ruled out Depp's involvement. In December, Bruckheimer told the Associated Press, "We're still working on it. Nothing is finalized yet, but we're taking baby steps in the right direction." Meanwhile, Depp has made significant strides in re-entering the public eye. In August, Depp shocked VMA viewers by making an unexpected cameo dressed as the show's Moon Man mascot, a move that drew criticism. Whitney Henriquez, Heard's sister, chastised MTV for allowing Depp to attend the ceremony. "At MTV, you're obviously desperate. I pray none of those who made this decision have daughters," Henriquez wrote in her Instagram story. Depp remained silent. Having said that, Depp has also been cast as King Louis XV in Jean du Barry, which began production on location in Paris this past July, according to Deadline. Since the conclusion of his trial against Amber Heard, Johnny Depp has dabbled in a variety of different projects. Depp's Instagram account has been documenting his many musical attempts with his band, Hollywood Vampires, and his pal Jeff Beck since July. Earlier this year, at Greg Williams Photography joined at Johnny Depp and at Jeff Beck Official on the European leg of their tour, Depp said. In this short film for At Hollywood Authentic containing talks from the tour and set of Minamata in 2018, learn about their friendship and the story behind the single This Is a Song for Miss Hedy Lamarr. Beck died in January 2023 as a result of bacterial meningitis. Depp infamously walked in Rihanna's annual fashion presentation for her Savage X Fenty lingerie business in November, causing even more criticism. In addition to his professional pursuits, Depp has spent a significant amount of time in Britain, which appears to provide him with a different, calmer environment. "In truth, I'm quite a shy person," Depp admitted to Somerset magazine. "It is one of the wonderful things about UK, particularly Somerset. It's good to be able to be myself."